Hello guys, my name is Latisha and welcome to A Day in My Life. Today is Tuesday, 5 March 2024. My activities. The morning, I usually wake up at 4:30 a.m. and then I take a bath. After take a bath, I take my breakfast at 6:30 a.m. I go to school at 7 a.m. by motorcycle with mother. My activities in the morning, sign time, I go to the mosque with on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday. For Saturday and Sunday, I go to Norita Education Center. My activities in the evening, I do my home at 7 o'clock p.m. After night, I watch TV. I was sleep at 9 p.m. So, need a day in my life. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.